Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you some additional tasks and quests in order to farm the Berachain airdrop. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. Now this task and quest are new quest, and I have made a separate video in the past explaining how you can go ahead and farm Berachain airdrop. Now I will quickly go through as to how you can go ahead and farm this Berachain airdrop. Now the first thing that you will need to do is you will need to have a MetaMask wallet. Now once you set up a MetaMask wallet, all you have to do is you will need to go to chainlist.org over here, and over here you will need to add Berachain to your MetaMask wallet. Now the next thing that you will need to do is you will need to go to rto.faucet.berachain and get some test Berachain tokens over here. So you simply have to paste your address and click on drip tokens. Now this will give you 0.1 Berachain tokens. Now the next thing that you would like to do is you will need to have some additional Berachain tokens. Now simply go to Faucet quick node over here, and over here you can request for 0.2 bera. So as you can see, I have already received like 0.2 bera from Faucet quick node. Now once you do this, all you have to do is you will need to go to RTO Bex Berachain, and I will leave all these links in the description, and you have to swap some Bera to STG USDC. So once you do that, you will be getting like this USDC in your wallet on the Berachain network. Now once you do that, you have to go to Honey over here, and you will need to swap some STG USDTs to Honey. So in this step I will go ahead and swap it. So I've completed this. Now we will wait for the transaction to be over. So basically you will have to click on mint over here and let the chain process the transaction for you. So let me go ahead and mint this quickly. So as you can see, I have minted few honey. So we'll wait for the transaction to be over, and meanwhile what you can do is you can create an account on WagMePad. Now I will leave my sign up referral link in the description for WagMePad, where you will and even I will receive one entry each using the invite code, and it really supports my channel. So once you do that, once you sign up on WagMePad, all you have to do is you will need to go to their website over here, wagmepad.org, and over here you will need to mint one NFT. Now this minting is absolutely free over here, which is RTO 404 NFT. Now for some people this website might give some problem, so you have to keep refreshing it until you can connect your wallet and actually go ahead and mint this NFT. Now let me check if the transaction is complete. Yes, so as you can see, I have minted some honey over here. Now the next thing that you will need to do is basically you will need to go over here in rtobex.berachain, and you have to add some liquidity over here. So you can go back over here and maybe swap your Bera tokens with some other tokens over here. So as you can see, there are a lot of tokens, but in pools you will need to check which is giving you a decent APR and which has the highest total value locked. So for example, this one STG USDT to honey, this has the highest one, then wrap BTC to honey. So basically you can go ahead and keep adding this liquidity pool. Now once you add this liquidity pool, you can go in rewards over here. After a few days you will earn something called as BGT tokens. Now this BGT would be used for the governance. Now I have already claimed a few of my BGT tokens. Now all you have to do is once you claim your BGT, you have to go to their governance tab over here, as you can see over here, and here you will need to select the validators. Now there are many validators over here. Now you simply select any validator which is having like a decent commission, like for example this one 5% with no bribes, and you can simply go ahead and actually add this to a certain validator. Now I added mine BGT to quant node over here, and once you do that you will get something called as a voting power. Now once you get the voting power, all you have to do is you will need to go to the governance over here, and over here you will need to check the active proposal. So as you can see, there is one recent proposal that reward active testnet users. So yes, and let me go ahead and show this to you. Now this is Berachain DeFi King, so I will simply go ahead and vote over here, and as you can see I'm able to vote once I have like enough BGT tokens in my wallet. Now doing this is pretty important because I think they will consider your activity on the governance proposals if you want to go ahead and farm the Berachain airdrop. Now apart from the governance thing, there are few quests that you can do. So as you can see, there is this new quest over here. Bera's gonna make it, and only 4 days and 15 hours are left. So it's a pretty simple quest. Basically you can go ahead and like, comment, retweet, and basically there would be this reward that would be passed on to you. Now there is some additional quest over here, as you can see, Uga Buga chant. Now if I click on this, you need to log in with your Warpcast. Now please note that you will need to download a wallet for Warpcast, and the fees are like $5 every year. So I'm skipping this one because I'm already farming a lot of airdrops, and I've already spent a lot of money on farming different airdrops. So I'm going ahead and skipping this, and only 14 hours are left. Now if you still want to go ahead and do this, you can go ahead and do this, download your wallet, and then basically follow the quest instructions on Warpcast. So these are some of the events, and most probably there would be future quests that would be coming in. We are not sure because the snapshot for Berachain is not done yet, and hopefully they should do it soon, and this should be a decent airdrop. So these are some of the additional steps apart from the earlier video that I had made for farming the Berachain airdrop. And this is all for this video, and in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.